Looking for fast, friendly, and reliable junk removal in Mesa, Arizona? At Happy Junk Removal, we make it easy to clear out the clutter so you can get your space back. From old furniture and appliances to yard debris and construction waste, our local team is here to handle it all with care and professionalism. We know how stressful it can be to deal with unwanted junk. That's why Happy Junk Removal takes care of the heavy lifting, hauling, and disposal for you. Our crew arrives on time, works efficiently, and ensures everything is disposed of responsibly, donating and recycling whenever possible to keep Mesa clean and green. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or property manager, Happy Junk Removal is your trusted partner for junk removal in Mesa, Arizona. Don't let clutter take over your life. Call us today and let our team bring you a cleaner, stress-free space you'll love.